Okay, next one, let's take a look at route groups. Like if we see the definition here, in the app directory Next.js folder are normally mapped to URL path. However, like we can mark a folder as a route group to prevent the folder from being included in the route URL path. So let's see the example here. Let's see. Oh, let me just delete the middleware here. We don't need middleware. This can okay. Okay, so normally if we're gonna visit about page, that's gonna be market, like homepage market slash about, right? But if I don't want to do that, I want to visit about from root. How can we do that? So we're gonna use route group. So in order to use route group, right, we need to have a bracket to the folder like this. Like marketing, we have a bracket on the file name, and the shop we have a bracket on the file name and the folder name. So we can, after we put the bracket on the folder, so it means that marketing is disappears. So this about and a blog page that's supposed to be on the second layer, that's gonna be on the first layer. So we can visit that, just say slash about. Let me just try that. Can you see? We can have like a about page. Here is about page. And let's see if we can visit account page. Oh. Let's see, we can visit account page without typing like a shop, and so basically we have a bracket that kind of like escape the URL segment. And although we escape that, but we're still able to have a layout here. Like if we visit account, right, but we got layout under the shop, and it can automatically render the layout here. Like as you can, we render account page, and you can see there's a layout here, and we can use like a about page. You can see that's a marketing layout. So I think it's very useful, but it's very useful if you don't wanna do like many of the layers, like the shop and something else. You just like just put the subfolder on top level. So that's how we can do with route group.